When I'm driving around the Baltimore Beltway, farming is not the first thing that comes to my mind. But I know of a fella here in Gwynn Falls, Maryland, that grows some of the world's hottest peppers and turns them into a sauce with a lot of swagger. Today I'm going to help him harvest a batch and turn it into a really great sauce that's probably going to knock my socks off, if I can find a place. Apparently I'm getting close, but hold on, here we go, here we are. Hey, Joe?
Al.
Hi, how are you?
What's up, buddy?
Joe Panella is the owner and saucier of Ellicott City Sauce.
I make sauce that's tasty and hot.
Uh-huh.
Some people just go straight for heat, but
Not me.
I add the flavor. Swagger sauce.
There you go.
Yep.
Joe's swagger sauces begin as hand-sown seedlings in early spring. The various pepper plants are organized into color-coded cups for planting. This plot might look tiny, but it packs a mighty punch. How much pepper power per square foot do you think you have here?
Enough to light your socks on fire. 100%. We have ghost peppers in the first row, Carolina Reapers, Scotch bonnets, red savinas, Naga vipers, 1,000 pepper plants this year.
Well, I'll tell you what, there's more danger here than there is in a minefield. Because you just rattled off all the ones I know that have at one time or another claimed the hottest pepper.
That is 100% true.
Joe, if somebody were to voluntarily offer to eat a hot pepper, how would you tell them to prepare for the experience?
My suggestion to people is to catch their breath.
Mm-hmm.
The breath is everything. If you can breathe. So if you practice that before you get into the peppers, your life's gonna be it's gonna be better.
How long does the assault on the palate last?
Carolina Reapers are gonna leave you hurting for about, well, I mean, the burn's gonna be there for 15, 20 minutes at least.
Uh-huh.
And then you have the whole passage through the gut.
Oh, no.
And then the next morning.
It gets you on the inside,
It
too?
goes all the way through. Peppers don't say sorry.
Well, Joe, we talked about making a sauce together, and I made it perfectly clear that my palate is as sensitive as a baby's bottom. So, could we build up something that I could tolerate?
I believe so. All right, let's do this.
All righty.
Pot, some sugar, salt, vinegar. Got a fresh tomato, 1 tomato, 2 tomatoes. What's your flavor of choice? Do you like Old Bay? Do you like
I like Old Bay.
Chesapeake seasoning?
Old Bay is fine.
Okay. So we might add a little bit more later.
Okay, in honor of Al.
It's a Maryland thing. Start with jalapenos.
And where are these on the heat scale?
These are on the very bottom of the heat scale.
Okay. Not quite the bottom, but the scale is subjective. The Scoville scale measures a pepper's heat, which is generated by the amount of the chemical compound, capsaicin. A bell pepper's Scoville heat unit, or SHU, is 0. While the jalapenos Joe's adding are around 2,500 SHU. For this sauce, Joe's also adding red savinas at 500,000 SHU. Ghost peppers at 1 million SHU, and the recently dethroned Carolina Reaper at over 2 million SHU. The new Pepper X now reigns at 2,693,000 SHU. Boy, I'm glad he's not growing those. Not terribly thick.
Nope. Nope.
Vicky, if I don't make it home tonight, I do love you.
Cheers.
All right, cheers, buddy.
Yeah.
Pineapple.
Yep. Yep. That's the Carolina Reaper.
That helped.
You're alive.
You're supposed to be my friend?
We'll suffer together, brother.
Okay.
We will suffer together, brother. We will make it through. It wouldn't lead you into any battle we couldn't get through.
To tell you the truth, I thought it would be a lot worse than it is. I can see that some people would like it. It is just within the realm of tolerance. Well, listen, we're going to put all sorts of information about your swagger sauce on our website at mpt.org/farm. You can check it out. I don't think you're going to want to try this at home, but you may want to give it a try. For the local buy, I'm Al Spoler. Joanne?
Thanks, Al. Be sure to check out mpt.org/farm for all our recipes and resources. Plus, you can watch all Farm and Harvest episodes there as well. Also, don't forget to follow us on social media for show updates, pictures, and videos. Thanks for watching Maryland Farm and Harvest. We hope you liked the video. Make sure to subscribe